All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are back in our bunker deep below the Mariana Trench. We're safe here. We're trying to be quarantined. I'm at my bunker house. I've got 9,000 kids running around and a dog running around and a wife running around, so you may hear noise that doesn't come from me, but we're going to have to live with it. Last video, we were talking about gross and net pay. And we said gross pay was like Jabba the Hutt, a big gross thing. It included everything. And net pay was like Han Solo. It was what was left after taxes were taken out. So we're going to look at a very poorly drawn paycheck. And in this case, on this paycheck, here's the employee. Your paycheck's always going to have your name on it. Your pay period, so this pay period was from July 1st through July 8th, so that's 1 week. He was paid for 1 week. We don't know the total earnings. What does total earnings mean? Gross pay, exactly. The total earnings, all of it, is gross pay. We know the taxes that were taken out. Federal taxes were $115 from that paycheck. Other taxes were $93.50. So if we look at that and we know our pay after taxes, again, what is pay after taxes called? It is called net pay. So we're going to put net here next to pay after taxes. We're going to put gross here next to total earnings. Now the particular activity we have to do here is we have to figure out what the total earnings are. We know the net. Put net here, pay after taxes. They're probably not going to write net. They may write net, but net is the pay after taxes. We know the pay after taxes is $891.50. And we know the taxes that were taken out is $93.50 and $115. And we're supposed to find out the gross. So if gross is the pay before taxes are taken out, then the way to solve this is we take our pay after taxes, our net, which is $891.50, and then we add the taxes in there, because that will be the pay before the taxes are taken out. We add those taxes back in, plus $93.50, plus $115. Now, because I don't have the whiteboard room to work this out, I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator on this, and we're going to take $891.50, and you follow along at home and check it with me too, please, because my fat fingers may hit something else. $93.50 plus $115 equals $1,100. And so $1,100 is his pay, his gross pay for 1 week, for July 1st through July 8th. And if we took the gross, we subtracted $115, subtracted $93.50, we should get $891.50. That's the net pay after taxes. And because you always want to do your best, you'll always, and The Rock means always, check your work to make sure you do it correctly. Let's look at one more example. I really wish I had a big board at home. Now we're going to look at Tina's finances. All right, so Tina has a part-time job at the bakery, and this year Tina made $18,000 at the bakery. Tina has a job at the library, part-time. She made $14,000 this year at the library. Tina also sells pottery. And her profit, which is the money she made, was $6,000. Now, she was paid more than $6,000, but you also got to buy the clay and whatever it is when you're making pottery called. So after buying what she needed, and when she sold it, she has a profit of $6,000. Her taxes are $5,750.50. So we need to figure out, after taxes, how much does she have back? So we need to figure out the net. But before we can figure out the net, we have to figure out the gross. Now to figure out the gross, we would have everything she earned, 18,000 plus 14,000 plus 6,000. That'll be my gross. And because I can add in any order, I knew 14,000 plus 6,000 is going to be 20,000. 20,000 plus 18,000 is going to give me 38,000. So my gross, she made $38,000. So that is her gross for the year. Now, as we said, the net, which we need to find, is you take the gross and you subtract the taxes. So our gross, we have $38,000. We subtract $5,750.50, and this will be our net. So we take $38,000 minus $5,750.50, and so what she earned, what she took home, what her total money that she got to spend, and this is going to be written small because I don't have a big board, was $32,249.50. So she actually earned $38,000, but the money she got to keep was $32,249.50. So that's net and gross. We talked about it last video. We're talking about it this video again. We knew what it was. This way we have to figure out what it is with the information they give us. And these are problems from the textbook, so you could always look at them. Go to KCloud and go to Think Central. So, boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Please save the bees. If you haven't watched, I put a video also on my YouTube channel of me actually saving some bees. Love y'all, miss y'all, have a great day.